Hello and welcome to Model Minutes. This video marks the 750 subscriber milestone for my channel. Now in this video there are two things I'd like to talk about. The first thing is the current state of my channel. The second thing is what should I do for my 1000 subscriber milestone. So firstly, what do you think about my current channel state? As this is a community, I'm always open to having input from everyone. So if there's something you think I should do more of or less of, then let me know. Are you happy with the length of my videos, or would you like them to be longer? Are you happy with the content? I know earlier on when I started the channel I did include music, and some people said that they didn't like that, and I took that on board. Is this still the case, or would people like to hear music in the videos? Don't forget that if you think something should be changed, just let me know and I'll see what I can do about it. After all, this is a community and I wouldn't be where I am now if it wasn't for you. And the second thing I'd like to talk about is what should I do for my 1000 subscriber milestone. I'd had a few ideas such as, off the top of my head, giveaways or Q&As, so question and answers with subscribers, but I'd like to know what you guys think I should do. What kind of thing would you like to see from me? Obviously 1000 subscribers is one of the biggest milestones that a channel can get to, and hopefully I'll be able to grow further than that in the future. So let me know what you guys think. Put all of your ideas and suggestions in the comments below. Just one final thing to say, a massive thank you to everyone who subscribed, liked, commented and shared my videos in the last couple of years. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again next time.